Good morning, John. How are you feeling today?
Hi, Dr. Sarah. Not too great, actually. I've been feeling a bit off for a while.
Tell me what's been happening. What symptoms have you been noticing?
Well, I've been really tired for weeks. I get headaches almost every day.
How long has this been going on?
It started about a month ago. It's been getting worse.
Have you experienced any dizziness or trouble sleeping?
Yeah, I wake up feeling drained even after a full night of sleep.
Any changes in your daily routine or diet recently?
Not really. I've been stressed at work, though, and I eat out a lot now.
Stress can definitely play a role. How's your energy throughout the day?
It's very low. I can barely keep up with anything after work.
Do you feel any chest pain, shortness of breath, or swelling anywhere?
No, nothing like that.
Any medical conditions or family health issues I should know about?
My dad had high blood pressure, but I'm otherwise healthy.
Right, good. I'll check your vitals today and we'll do some tests to get to the bottom of this.
Thanks, Dr. Sarah.
Let's also talk about your stress levels. How do you usually handle stress?
I don't really have a system. I just power through it.
That's understandable, but chronic stress can affect your health. Have you tried any relaxation techniques?
Not much. I've just been working late or watching TV to unwind.
Let's check your vitals. I'll start with your blood pressure and listen to your heart. Your blood pressure is a bit high, but not dangerously so. We'll need to check your cholesterol and glucose levels.
That's concerning. Could it be something serious?
Not necessarily. Could be stress or diet related. We'll run some tests to be sure. What do you typically eat each day?
Mostly fast food. It's just easier with my schedule.
That could definitely be affecting your energy. Processed foods can lead to fatigue.
I know I should eat better, but I haven't had the time to change.
I understand. Even small changes like adding more fruits and veggies can make a difference.
I'll try to work on that.
How many hours of sleep are you getting each night?
Maybe 6 hours. I know it's not enough.
Sleep is really important. Aim for 7 to 8 hours to help with recovery. What do you do to relax?
I don't really have time to relax. I work late and watch TV to unwind.
That's a common habit, but it's important to take time to unwind in healthier ways. Have you tried deep breathing or meditation?
No, I haven't. I didn't think it would help.
Can be very effective. Just a few minutes a day can make a big difference.
I'll try it. It can't hurt, right?
Exactly. It's a small step that could help with your energy and mood. We'll run some blood tests to check your thyroid, cholesterol, and glucose levels. We'll also focus on improving your diet and sleep habits.
Sounds good. I'll work on those changes.
We'll follow up in a few weeks to check your progress. If there's anything urgent, we'll contact you sooner.
Thanks, Dr. Sarah. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome, John. Remember, you're not alone in this. We'll work together to help you feel better.